In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to change the date and time in this device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and mark a system. Right here you'll find it at the bottom of the list. And then go to date and time, and here you can smoothly unmark the automatic setup, just like this, and here you can select the time and date manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also customize the time zone, so just unmark the automatic one, and from this list you can select the one that you would like to apply. Obviously you can also enter here some particular name if you don't want to scroll through all the options. Let me pick for example this one, and that's it. Now if you will go back, you will see that it has been done. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.